So since we've turboed the car, it's getting a bit hot, so we're going to cool it down with these. What we have here is some exhaust or manifold wrap and a turbo blanket. So this is the forged turbo blanket that's going to go on the TD04 and the Mx5, and we've got some, what is this brand? I don't know. Design Engineering. They had some decent reviews and weren't super expensive to go on the manifold. Sorry, go on the downpipe to keep the engine bay a little cooler. So first of all, we're going to start with wrapping this, getting it nice and good. We do also have some of our little metal zip ties. Before you do this yourself, make sure you've got some sort of gloves, because this is all fiberglass. It'll get very irritable if you touch it with your hands. So we're going to wrap this up, start it, take our time, make it look really nice and neat, use our zip ties where we need to, and then we'll get the turbo blanket on. So let's crack on. We've done our unpacking. I would probably recommend doing it without, actually not in shorts, because all this fibre stuff is going to get everywhere, but it's very warm and I'd rather suffer with that than suffer with heat stroke. Or just, well, I haven't got a choice not to do it, so I'm going to crack on. Again, yeah, we're just going to basically pull it out slightly. It's got a little staple in it, which we can now safely remove and put it in our zib in. And yeah, going to basically lock this off down here, and we'll go round and wrap it. I feel like using some ribbon. So we hold that like that. Everything I've seen online basically says you can't really do it wrong other than if you don't keep it tight. So keep it tight, go round. Once we get that initial bit on, I can put a tight zip tie around it and let it really hold. So these little zip ties literally work how a normal zip tie would. You can push it through. I'm going to have this locked up as best as we can on the top. So, as you can see, we've gone right the way down, down to the flexi, which is kind of what I planned, and it looks really good. I'm really happy with how that's come out. Looks really smart. So, not only does it look good, but it shall hopefully make a bit of a difference to the engine bay temperature. So we're now going to get the turbo blanket on. Sorry, it's a bit warm. So yeah, we'll get the turbo blanket on, and drop the temperatures even more. So we got our forged turbo blanket, and what you'll notice is you got these little clips, these little springs. They come around and they're used to ensure that that can go around the turbo, and keep it nice and happy. So we've got to get it positioned on the turbo, which I think is probably going to go that way round. That's going to come round and then hold itself quite nicely on the bottom, because that's, yeah, going to go like so. So we're going to do a bit of fandangling. I think this has got some clips, yeah, some little clips to help it go around. So we're going to get that all going now. Where are they? What we're going to do, bring this round. This is going to go on the underside of the manifold. So we're going to line it up like that. Pull that through. There we go. So, as you saw, basically we've gone round either side of the manifold and it's wrapped round. So this is the forged universal one, but everyone I spoke to said, oh, it fits the TD04 really well. It will work very well, I think. At some point when I've got lots and lots of money, I might buy a Funk one. But I'm happy with this. This is going to definitely reduce the temperatures by quite a lot. As you can see, it's on there. So what we need to do now is basically do a little heat cycle on it. But you can see how simple it is to do, and definitely improves the look of the engine bay a bit. So yeah, I'm going to grab some water, put the back of the exhaust back on, and then turn it on, go do some heat cycling. So, crack on. run, you'll see the little bit of smoke and stuff coming up from it. Basically, what you do is run it up to temperature, let the exhaust wrap and the turbo blanket basically cure. It'll become less malleable and kind of lock itself in. Yeah, so why would you do it? Well, in theory, well, it doesn't in theory, it does reduce engine bay temperatures, which this started to get very warm. There's one point I was driving home in the rain, and basically the left-hand side of the engine bay had water sitting on it, the right-hand side had steam coming off it. So I knew it was a bit toasty under here. And second of all, technically makes everything a bit more efficient because it increases the heat. Go watch Engineering Explained, he does a really good demonstration, talk through an experiment on it. And it makes it look a little bit better, so we'll take that as a win. Hopefully all of that you can hear. If not, I'm going to voice over what I was saying. But yeah, it's cool, it's brilliant, I'm really happy with it, and it still makes choo-choo noises. Yeah! So if you want to see more cool turbo Mx5 stuff, or some of the camping stuff, or even some of the new cars that have appeared on the channel, make sure you stick around. Please like, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.